Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID and the exact payment method attached. Open Settings and view Payment and Shipping. Make sure you are signed in to the same Apple ID used for purchases. Once done, verify your network. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular to rule out connectivity. If you recently edited billing details, restart the device to force a sync. These first steps remove common blocks so you can proceed to the payment flow without wasted effort. Next, dig into billing specifics. Update the card number, expiration, security code, and billing address exactly as your bank has them. If the card still fails, call or use the bank app to authorize the charge. Sometimes blocks appear for security reasons. Then sign out of the App Store, force close it, and sign back in to refresh tokens. Make sure the device date/time are set automatically. Mismatched time can invalidate payment requests. These steps fix common server. Finally, retry the purchase after you refreshed credentials. Watch for the confirmation or a receipt email. If it still doesn't complete, try a different payment method or ask a family organizer to buy via family sharing. If errors persist, check Apple system status for outages and then contact Apple support with the error code shown. One key troubleshooting tip. Request a temporary authorization hold from your bank. This often reveals why a charge was blocked and speeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.